Dawn, that farm wife here at Daybreak Farm. I'm gonna plant a tomato real quick, just show you my method this year. So I did not really mess up by letting my tomatoes getting really tall, because it actually worked out very well. So what I did, well, first I'm gonna put a very exact amount of lime and some Epsom salt into my hole. Give it a stir. And I picked all the leaves off, or the stems off of my tomato plant. Lay it sideways in the hole. Cover it up. Curl the end up. So you got a plant coming out of there. There's no science to this. I just kind of let the plant tell me where it needs to be. All right, there you have it. Tomato plant with that stem completely covered. And you didn't have to dig a 3-foot deep hole. We're gonna top dress these with some manure or compost, cover them with cardboard, and put pine straw on it, and we'll call it a day.